Well, certainly an eventful evening in northeast El Paso, getting the brunt of these evening storm showers that we saw.
Oh man, I know, and it's crazy to say that we had a flash flood warning, the first one for the month of July. Thankfully, we didn't really see anything really that stood out that really harmed people in any way. It was just the flooded roadways.
I remember, seeing Shelby's live, of course, in our 6:30 hour, I think it was, and you could see the roads creating quite the splash. But
but that was it. Thank
thankfully.
Goodness. If you do have any kind of, events that did happen in your neighborhood, send it over to us. But I haven't had any updates in that regards. I do want to show you the radar map right now. And before we get to that, Chaparral got hit pretty hard today too. This is actually video sent in to us by weather watcher Kevin Ruiz. Thank you so much. He sent us this video of earlier today when Chaparral, if you remember, was under a flood advisory. And check this out, for good reason. You can tell his front yard was kind of flooded with that rain, and so it made for a very muddy front yard for sure. Thankfully now things have definitely settled. We're really not seeing too much going on. In fact, if we zoom in into El Paso, you're going to notice a lot of green on this map, but this is more than anything just cloud cover. We may be seeing a few drops here and there, but that's as far as we go. We don't expect to see much more tonight. It does look like the system has completely rained itself out. We should be good to go for the rest of tonight. Unfortunately, for those of you who love the rain, this might actually do a number on us for tomorrow's rain chances, in the sense that because it's going to clear itself out, we may end up seeing a bit of a stable atmosphere for tomorrow, reducing those rain chances just a bit. I already went ahead and dropped those rain chances just a little bit for tomorrow, but there's still that opportunity for a stray storm to pop up, kind of like today. We managed to register 0.09 of an inch of rain in El Paso in the last 6 hours, which is great. It adds to that rain total numbers that we're looking at, and so that doesn't put us anywhere close to average, but we're slowly getting there. We didn't seem to manage to register any other kind of rain totals anywhere else today from today's system, and as a matter of fact, right now, because of that rain, we managed to cool to about 76 degrees at the airport. Southerly winds, really nice, calm at 9 miles per hour. It's a beautiful evening tonight, and so we expect to continue to see this beautiful evening going into a beautiful morning. Today, though, before the rain came through, we managed to register 99 degrees at the airport. A very hot day. We were so close to hitting that 100-degree mark this afternoon at 98 in Las Cruces, 97 in Juarez. Here's how we compare. On average, El Paso should be closer to 97 degrees. Of course, we were a few degrees above that today. 77 is how we started off this morning. 73 is normal, and it looks like we'll stay close to seasonal tonight. Forecasting 74 degrees, and that's thanks to the rain that we're currently seeing moving out of our area. 71 in Las Cruces, 73 in Juarez. So like I mentioned, we're going to have plenty of moisture in our atmosphere, and we're going to continue to see that going into tomorrow. The thing is, we need instability. We need a kick to get these storms started, and it may look like we may not be able to see that exactly how we want it tomorrow, so we may not see widespread rain, but there's still a chance. So I'm going to keep in a 20% chance of rain for tomorrow. 97 degrees your forecast high, 98 on Saturday, 99 Sunday, and it looks like we could potentially register 100 degrees on Monday. Much better rain chances kick in Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, so have those sandbags ready. Big shout out to our certified weather watcher, Demetrio Lara. Thank you so much for allowing us to see that beautiful rainbow near Hawkins this afternoon. And big shout out to my dad for allowing us to see that really cool lightning strike over by his work. So thank you so much for allowing us to see these beautiful pictures. If you want to be featured on KTSM 9 News, go ahead and submit those beautiful weather photos to us through our social media platforms or email news@ktsm.com. We'll be right back.